In this video, I'll show you how to send money from your Monzo account, whether to another person or one of your own accounts. First, open the Monzo app and tap on Payments at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Pay Someone. If you've sent money to this person before, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, tap Pay Someone New. Next, choose Add Bank Details, and then select whether you're sending money to a person or a business. In my case, I'm sending it to another personal account, so I'll choose Person. Now, enter the sort code, account number, and the name on the account. Once you've added this person to your contacts, select how much money you want to send. You can also add a payment reference if needed. After that, tap Review Payment. If everything looks correct, press Confirm to send the money. To make international transfers, go back to Payments at the bottom, then tap Transfer Internationally. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show how much the recipient will receive. You can also change the currency by tapping on it and selecting your preferred one. Then press Continue, choose Create Pay, and enter the recipient's details. And that's how you send money using Monzo. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments.